Hello trader, this is a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold and dollar yen. Both of this instrument we can see that after short consolidation started to move again in the major direction of the trend. So starting with first of all dollar yen, and then we will be looking at also gold, how we can find our next trading opportunity here in this market. So looking at dollar yen, that we can see it is a bull market, and in that bull market, looking at the monthly chart to see how the price action is doing. Now from the monthly we can see that the market in this bullish impulsive move, the candle close on the monthly with a full body candle close. With this monthly price action, after this initial pullback, started to bounce back again in the direction of the trend. So with this movement that you can see from the monthly, which is a big bull move followed by this pullback, and the market is in now another impulsive phase here on dollar yen. So looking at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective also bullish with this pin bar here. Every week the market is maintaining this uptrending market structure here on dollar yen. Now with this uptrend, looking at the current weekly price action here, and this weekly price action from this support with a gap open so far showing that potentially bounce back to the upside here. And looking at daily, this is the daily price action where gap open followed by daily price after the previous daily doji. The market from this support has got back to the upside here with a stronger momentum in this area. So that is where that you can see the market is showing up to be bullish. Now looking at the 4 hour perspective here, we can see that from this support level, which is a 4 hour impulse, expecting that as this is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, which is turning support, and the market has completely broken above this level, we may see now on dollar yen a potential pullback to this previous resistance, which is turning support, and potential trend continuation. Now this break below that, what we can expect a one single move down, and that can give an entry opportunity. If we look at this 4 hour price action straight dropping back to this support level, we can expect the market to continue to rise back again in the direction of the trend. Looking at gold in the same way, we can see that gold had a very sharp breakout after 2 sessions, 4 hour double bottom formation here on gold. Now looking at first of all monthly chart on gold, we can see that from the monthly perspective, this is where the monthly support, the market in that monthly support had a break back to the upside. And if we look at the historical perspective here on gold, we can see that this is a historically bull market, a big move followed by sideways another move. The market is maintaining this uptrending market structure, which is series of higher high and higher low. And currently the market is going up to fill that monthly long week here in that area. If we look at the weekly perspective, where it's also series of higher low, and currently this is the weekly candlestick pattern that could bring that market to potentially bounce back here to create a new higher high in that area. And looking at daily, where the daily impulse here followed by after this daily doji, the market from this support level has created another move back to the upside, which could bring that market potentially to rise up in that area. There is an imbalance. If you look at, this is a pure bearish fair value gap, which could potentially bounce and fill that zone in that area. Now looking at the 4 hour chart, and also the 15 minutes perspective, there is a breakout. You guys have seen there was a sideway market for extended, and then finally had this breakout. Now this breakout showing that potentially further trend continuation here, as to reach that price to that level where there is a previous order block, we might see now a pullback on the lower time frame. Especially breaking any of these sessions low can give another entry opportunity in this market. This is where you will be waiting for a potential bullish trade setup. As soon as you will find suitable, and you will be looking to go long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.